If you're a Muslim, you have to see this insane miracle that is mentioned inside the Quran. And make sure to share this to show people that Islam is 100% the truth. In January 2018, researchers reported that two 4.5 billion year old meteorites were found on Earth and contained liquid water. As we know, meteorites come from space. So because of this, scientists and researchers made a conclusion, stating that the water we have on Earth came about billions of years ago, and it actually came down to Earth from meteorites from space. Here's the insane part. 1400 years ago, a man who couldn't read or write actually knew this, way before scientists and researchers. And this man was the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As in the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala states in Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse 18, "And we sent down water from the heaven in proper quantity, and we made earth its dwelling, and we are able to take it away." In this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that He sent down the water into its final dwelling, which is earth. So how did the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam 1400 years ago, who couldn't read or write, possibly come to the same conclusion that scientists just discovered recently in year 2018? The answer is Islam is the truth, and yet people still deny the truth.